Welcome to menopause, the stage of life where your hormones stop cooperating, your joints sound like bubble wrap, and your mood swing range is angelic yoga instructor to I will throw this whole refrigerator. But don't panic. I'm about to show you how to exercise safely without ending up on the floor like a collapsed IKEA shelf. Let's begin. 1. Aerobic training. You don't need to train like you're prepping for a triathlon in Colorado, just 10 minutes a day. If you can binge watch Netflix for 3 hours while ignoring your responsibilities, congratulations, you have the stamina to walk for 10 minutes. Do things like walking, brisk walking, aka power walking because you're annoyed, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing in your kitchen like someone will see you on TikTok. Start small, build up, or stay at 10 minutes forever. That's between you and your internal organs. 2. Strength training, 2 to 3 sessions a week, because menopause is basically sending your bones a breakup text. Hit the big areas: arms, legs, back, chest. Everything your physical therapist says you've been neglecting for 20 years. Squats, lunges, push-ups, rows, or use your body weight. You've carried emotional trauma for decades. You can carry yourself. Benefits? You keep muscle. Metabolism goes from asleep to barely awake but trying. Better sleep, better mood, lower risk of heart disease. Basically, strength training turns you into a stronger, more powerful version of yourself, like a Pokemon evolution but with sweat. 3. HIIT, high-intensity interval torture. This is when you exercise like you're running from your responsibilities, then rest for 10 seconds, then repeat. It's amazing for your heart and metabolism, but please, don't start with HIIT on day 1, unless you're trying to meet Jesus early. 4. Pelvic floor exercises. Yes, we're talking about down there. These muscles support your bladder, uterus, and rectum, basically the Avengers of your torso. Menopause weakens them, so strengthen them. Benefits? Better bladder control, lower risk of organs sliding south, better sexual health. If that last point didn't convince you, I don't know what will. 5. Balance and flexibility. Yoga, Pilates, stretching. Anything that stops you from tripping over absolutely nothing like a drunk baby giraffe. You're not getting old. You're becoming selectively functional. So stretch. Tips. Tip 1. Start with 10 minutes. If your brain says, I'm not motivated, tell it, shut up, no one asked. Tip 2. Go slow. This is fitness, not a Marvel stunt scene. Tip 3. Listen to your body. If something hurts, adjust. You're building strength, not auditioning for Jackass. Tip 4. Hydrate. And no, iced coffee doesn't count as water. I know, I'm sorry. Tip 5. You don't need a gym. Walk, dance, swim, chase the dog, escape your kids. It all counts. Tip 6. Talk to your doctor or a trainer. Don't DIY your health like an amateur Home Depot project. Tip 7. You won't always feel motivated, but your mood is not your boss. Show up anyway. Tip 8. Sleep 8 hours, or your hormones will drag you across the floor emotionally.